weather's so rough. We are on the way. Let's go. We're just passing now through Caerphilly. The crack of dawn. Nothing's open. And weather is grim. Just waiting now for the next train to Cardiff. And away we go. What a trip, guys. Absolute mission so far. We're 10 hours in. Let's go. Leaving the city now. Well, we're just pausing now for a bit. Cheltenham Spa. Get a rest, recuperate. Then we're going to carry on this mission. Get out there and explore the world, guys. Not long now, and we'll make it on the way to Plymouth. Plymouth bound. Big up yourselves. Well, we're off the train. Let's move. Got a lot more to do. Crack of dawn, guys. Keyham Station. Let's go on the rest of this mission.
We are now approaching Dockyard. Welcome aboard this Great Western Railway service to Penzance.
Cool little train station we just arrived at. Bus trip.
Service 57 to Padstow.
We made it, guys. Woo! That was a bus journey and a half. Fair play. But we're on the move. And we're going to go check out some stuff. Let's go. Woo! Beautiful scenery. Cannot wait for this.
You want Peter?
Yeah. There you go. Check that beast out. That looks awesome. Fascinating piece of engineering. Absolutely stunning, guys. So pretty. Look at him growing. Nice. Look how pretty these are, guys. The colours are just so vibrant and amazing. Absolutely phenomenal. And look at these beautiful cacti. Amazing. Look at that beast. Awesome cedar right there. the size of those. Beautiful cow that is. Soil resilience, always important, guys. Those Cornish heads from Cornish steaks. It's quite impressive. That's well cool. Well, it's been a good day, guys. Long one, but let's go home. Woof. Heading back to Plymouth. Epic adventure through Plymouth, fair play, through the town, home of the Marine. Epic. We're on our way home, guys. Arrive now at Cardiff City, connection train in 20 minutes. So we just made it back home. Much love, guys. Sun's going down. If you like the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, helps a lot. Stay tuned for more. See you all tomorrow.